This is the class of 2018 reunion. I'd like you guys to sign this book for me.
Oh wait, sign?
Hey, remember that project in freshman year where we had to make a music video about sign?
Oh yeah, I remember that.
It feels like a perfect day for Soka Toa and to work without flaws. It feels like a perfect day for ASTC. All students take calculus, ASTC.
Trig, reference angles are 30, 45, and 60. Magnificent and magical, oh Trig. Sine and cosine are certainly complementary. Let's graph for sine. When you're graphing sine, use a sinusoidal line. Everything will be alright. You applied the right side. Think the unit circle, I'll bet you want to. Everything will be alright. You just keep graphing like with Mr. Lang with you. Mr. Lang with you.
Domain is all real numbers. The period is 2 pi. Amplitude is 1.
What's the range then? Gosh.
Range is -1 to 1. Just to not forget about the baseline. Y equals 0 trig. Start thinking.
Yeah, man, those were some really good times.
Oh, but trig was so hard. I failed the cosine portion.
Cosine?
I remember graphing cosine the first time, saying this is it, I've had enough. Cause I didn't know that it graphed like sine. It is also sinusoidal.
What?
It's only shifted over half pi. Baby, the domain and the range remain the same. Trust me, remember amplitude and period. I say those are like sines, the baseline is 0.
Oh, sine. The points start at the maximum when negative. It starts at minimum trig. Just involves sine and cosine. And a little tangent trig just involves using reference angles as the x-axis in a small ordered paired. Sine is y, cosine is x. Trig just involves sine and cosine and a little tangent. Don't forget there are reciprocals, the secant and cotangent. Unit circle has a radius of 1.
If you remember this song, it will help you a ton.
Cosine, the points start at the maximum when negative. It starts at minimum.
Stop throwing a tantrum about cosine. Trig was better tan anything.
Yeah, math isn't that tricky if you know the pattern.
Cause tangents got those vertical asymptotes. Domain isn't pi over 2 plus pi times k. Range is minus infinity to infinity. Cause tangents got no amplitude. Tangents got no amplitude. Unlike the other functions, sine and cosine, tangent is y over x with a never-ending line. And on a real unit circle, tangent is the slope.
And the period of tangent is simply a single pi.
Take beta class.
Yo, when the parent function changes, you got a transformation. The lines on a graph have an alteration, changing its location. Use the formula a function bx plus c plus d. Ask any mathematician and they will agree.
Change 0 over a multiplies the amplitude. Variable b changes the frequency magnitude. Variable c is the one that changes with the horizontal shift.
And modifying variable d gives the baseline a lift.
Baseline is 0 like the other functions. Along with sine and cosine, they work in conjunction. When we're about to forget, it comes back every time. Trig never goes out of style. Trig never goes out of style.